guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, 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 welcome back. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, I will be doing an update on Love Me Hair. This hair has lasted for a mighty long time, and I just wanted to keep you guys updated, because many times people will, when they get the hair, they talk about the hair and they be like, oh my goodness, this hair's so good, this hair's so lovely, this hair's so bossy, this hair's so clean, this hair's so wavy, this hair's so flowy. But like months has went by and it's like, okay, how's the hair holding up? Like, is the hair legit? Did it turn to a mop, a rag? How is the hair holding up? It's still bopping legit? Is it flowing? Is it like how you was explaining a couple of months back? So I thought it would be pretty nice to just do a video and explain to you guys on Love Me Hair updates on how the hair is holding up. So I don't remember last time I post my last video about Love Me Hair. Let me see, let me go to my YouTube studio because I can't remember. Okay, so let's go back over here. I'm trying to hurry up before my camera dies. So the last time I posted about Love Me Hair was 7 months ago. I published my video on Love Me Hair U-part Wig honest review July 29th, 2019. This hair is bomb diggity, and I think I found my new company. You guys know that this is a U-part wig. I did take out some of my hair at the top. I took out a little bit of my hair because one day I want to wear it to the side, the next day I want to wear it to the middle. So that's the benefit about having a U-part. But the only con is that I don't want to keep applying heat onto my hair. But your girl wants to try different styles, and my only go-to style is either a straight wig, because I am not trying to always straighten my whole entire head, because you guys know I'm still trying to recover from heat damage. So little specks of pieces, you know, every time I get the chance to add a little protein treatment when it's time to do a wash day or whatever the case may be. But guys, Love Me Hair has done me justice. Love Me Hair keeps it real. I'm not a fan of their straightener. I'm gonna just be honest, because I don't feel as if it gets that hot. I guess the straightener is only okay for the hair, but not for your real hair. So the straightener is a no-no for me, but I do use it if I'm trying to rush, or if I'm going out of town and I don't want to take like my best straightener with me, because God forbid I get robbed. God forbid, in the name of Jesus. So y'all can rob Love Me Hair straightener. I'm straight with that. Y'all can go ahead and rob that, take that, do whatever you got to do with that. I'm fine, I'm straight, it's whatever. But when it pertains to the hair, I absolutely love them. So the way I take care of Love Me Hair wig is I try to wash it every week. So 1 week I'll use a shampoo and conditioner. 1 week I'll use the shampoo and the conditioner. The following week I'll probably just like condition it. I do like to wash it, especially that it's getting older. Sometimes it kind of looks it starts to look kind of off, like it doesn't have that bounce to it as it used to. So what I would do is I would just wash it, and I'll just use probably like one of the cheap shampoos. Like, just use a cheap shampoo. Like, you don't have to be buying that expensive shampoo or using your most expensive shampoo to get this hair back to how it used to. If I see a shampoo lying around that I haven't used in years, I'll just use that shampoo, and I'll probably just use like the VO5 conditioner, and I just let this hair air dry. So I know I got the 22-inch, but that's basically what I do. But I don't wear this wig every day, so that's probably another reason why it's lasting so long. Other than that, yeah, it's been holding up. So yeah, but the hair does last for a mighty long time if you treat it as if it was your real hair. Like I said, you don't have to use those expensive products that you use on your natural hair. I love this wig because it's true to its word, and it's not expensive at all. It's not expensive at all. Like, you could buy like those $300, $400 wigs. You got the money, do what you got to do. But for me, I'm straight. And this wig, for it to be like so cheap, it runs around, like, when it has sales, it'll probably be like from $120 to $160 max, in between that range, depending on the percentage that you get. you could get some good deals with Love Me Hair, and it lasts just as long as those expensive wigs that you be buying for like $400, $600. So if you guys are interested, I will put the link down in the description box where I did purchase this hair. Like I mentioned before, it is the U-part wig, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.